How to fix or improve WhatsApp video call quality. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily improve WhatsApp video quality. So first thing, simply head over to your WhatsApp and make sure you are signed into your account. And once you're inside here, just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and just click on settings. So once you're inside here, settings, just click on this storage and data option. So once you're inside here, so if you have enabled this option which is use less data for calls, so just make sure you disable it so that it will use a full quality whenever you are calling someone on WhatsApp. And if you want to upload any media on the highest quality, you can also enable this option to HD quality, so that's bonus point for you. So after you do that, you should have successfully improved your WhatsApp video call quality. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.